In this video, you will learn how to mind map an email. Mind map is a tool that will help you plan and organize your email. It is the easiest way to organize facts and information. All mind maps use color and curved lines to connect and group ideas. Before writing a complex email, it is best to identify the main purpose of the email and build on the other facts that have to be included in the email. This makes it easy to structure the email before drafting it. The first step in mind mapping is to write down the main purpose of the email. For example, scheduling a meeting. The second step is to use colors to draw out the main branches to the central purpose. It can be different topics or things that you need to cover in the email. For example, for scheduling a meeting, the main branches would include objective of the meeting, when, with whom, location, and agenda. The next step is to add points to each main branch. This can be 1 or 2 points. This helps in covering all the points that you need to write in the email. In this example, under the objective of the meeting, you can write to offer employee benefit products. To share details on when, write the date, time, and location of the meeting. Under whom, you can write the person who would be attending the meeting. You could also mention the other members you would be meeting. Under location, you can mention the address and whether it is an online meeting or an in-person meeting. Under agenda, you mention the products you would propose. For example, salary account, credit card options, and loans. In the last step, add the details to support the keywords. In this example, under products, you can expand it by saying 0 salary account, credit card, limit of rupees 2 lakh, loans, home loans, and car loans. Once you have written the points in the mind map, it is easier to write the email. Let us look at the email. Dear team, good afternoon. We would like to meet Mr. Khanna at the Goregaon office on 5th July at 3 p.m. The agenda of the meeting is to discuss the different employee benefits we offer corporate clients. We propose to offer the following benefits: 0 salary account, complimentary credit card with a limit of rupees 2 lakh, loan facility for homes and automobiles. Let us know if the timing suits you. We look forward to meeting you and the team. Here is another mind map that can be used while solving problems. Each main branch is divided into small actionable points, which overall help identify the problem, look at the circumstances, map a solution, and consider others' viewpoints. Mind maps train your mind to find solutions without missing out important information. It is a good idea to mind map complex problems before writing an email. We hope you have understood how to mind map situations before writing an email.